You all like mango? How many of you like mango? Everyone. I guess it. Every one of you like mango. Why? Because it's very tasty and it gives sweet taste. That's why you all like this. Mango. M stands for mango. What is the sound of M? Close your mouth. Mmm. 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 Yum. What is the sound of yum? Mmm. Okay. What is the next alphabet? N. What is the next alphabet? N. N stands for? Someone guess it and tell me, children. What word comes for N? Nest. N stands for nest. What is the sound of N? For N also, touch your tongue on the upper side of your mouth and close your one side of your nose. Mmm. 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 Okay, children. A stands for apple. The sound for A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Okay, children. Shall we move on to the next alphabet? What is the next alphabet? O. What is the next alphabet? O. O stands for ostrich. O stands for ostrich. What is the sound of O? Ah. What is the sound of O? Ah. Do it with me. Ah. Okay. What is the next alphabet? P. P stands for parrot. Parrot is in what color? Green. Green starts with what alphabet? Think and tell me. Green starts with what alphabet? Green. Try like this, children. First, pronounce the word. Then you can find out the sound of the alphabet. From that sound, you can tell and you can write also. Green. G stands for G. So green starts with alphabet G. Very good, children. Like this only, you have to try yourself, pronounce the particular word, and with the sound you can write the alphabet. For that reason, you was studying the sound of alphabets. Okay. Parrot. What is the sound of P? In the classroom, your miss will say like this. Quiet, children. Be quiet. Like this. You have to touch your finger on your lips. Okay. And what is the next alphabet, my dear children? Q. What is the next alphabet? Q. Q stands for queen. Q stands for queen. What is the sound of Q? Quack. What is the sound of Q? Quack. What is the sound of Q? Quack. What is the next alphabet, my dear kids? R. What is the next alphabet? R. R stands for radish. R stands for radish. R stands for radish. R stands for rabbit. R stands for rat. You all know some of the words stands for R, right? R stands for radish. What is the sound of R? What is the sound of R? What's the sound of R? Okay. give the sound from your mouth. Okay. What's the next alphabet? S. What is the next alphabet? S. S stands for sheep. S stands for sheep. What is the sound comes for? What sound comes for S? S. S. Okay, you can also do like this. S. Snake moves like this. Okay, S stands for snake. How can snake move? S. You can also do like this. Which action is comfortable for you? You can follow that action. S stands for S. Okay. What is the next alphabet? T. What is the next alphabet? T. T stands for telephone. T stands for a beautiful pink telephone. Can you see that? Telephone. T stands for telephone. What sound comes for T? Give sound. Okay. You already do the same action for which alphabet? Guess and tell me. Which alphabet? Yes, D.